Welcome, Katie. How are you doing?
I'm good, thank you. Yeah.
Welcome to Badan-Baden. Are you a regular here?
This is my third Baden-Baden, two very painful virtual Baden-Badens during COVID.
Yeah, no, I can imagine. No, likewise, I'm a post-pandemic real-life Baden attendee.
Yeah,
but
it's great to be back after.
yeah, and bigger this year than the previous couple?
It feels it. Yeah, it feels really, really busy. Yeah, it's great.
Oh, brilliant. And you mentioned as we were talking before we started recording, you're looking after both property cat types of things and marine things. How are those markets feeling at the moment?
Yeah, well, so Ageas in the UK, we write personal lines, home and motor insurance. Particularly, we are seeing a lot of market hardening. So primary rate is going up significantly, particularly on motor. And on property as well. So we've got a good message to our reinsurance partners that we are increasing our rates.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
And how are you finding it? Because obviously we had a symposium on Sunday where the reinsurers stand up and they all tell us, that the market's staying hard, etc. How do you find it being a buyer here?
It certainly feels more positive this year than last year. I think last year there was a lot of capacity squeeze. This year it feels like people are very happy to write UK motor and UK cat as well. So that it definitely, the tone of the meetings we're having is far more positive than last year, which is really good.
Yeah, no, that is good to hear, definitely. I think the word that keeps coming back time and time again is actually I've forgotten the word that I was going to say. Calmness came to mind.
Yeah.
But what would you say? Let's see if you accidentally say the word I was thinking of.
I think we feel quite confident going into the renewal. So yeah, I think that calm is a good way of putting it. Last year, no one was quoting. It went really late in the market. It was quite tense last year. So this year, it feels like it's going to be a lot calmer. It's a good word.
Well, definitely, yeah. The word came back orderly.
Orderly,
yeah,
and that's what everyone wants.
Yeah.
Everyone wants their reinsurance placement wrapped up before Christmas. So.
Yeah, absolutely. And have you found over the past few years, everyone keeps talking about transparency and data and all this sort of thing. Have you seen changes there across the market? Or?
Yeah, certainly. So particularly in UK motor, we have an awful lot of data that we can kind of use to analyse our risk, and that's the sort of message that we give to our reinsurers to really show them that we're confidently writing really good business, and that helps our claims, and it really helps it be a profitable placement for them. So certainly more analytical conversations that we're having as well, which is really good.
Yeah, and do you do any other conferences, or is Baden-Baden a big one for you? Or?
Yeah, no, just Baden-Baden, and then obviously because we're in London, we see the London markets quite frequently, and it's really great to kind of be in and amongst the reinsurers in London. So yeah.
Makes sense. So could you tell us, just because we ask everybody this question on the show, what's your favourite thing about Baden-Baden?
I think it's got to be Leo's, isn't it? I think it's just a bit of a reinsurance institution. So it's great to be able to catch up with people, see people you've not seen for a few years, and just enjoy a beer after a long day of back-to-back reinsurance meetings.
Yeah, no, absolutely. And anything else you'd like to share with our audience before we wrap up?
Just to all the reinsurers out there, we're just really hoping for some really, really good rates this year.
Yeah, aren't we all? Lovely having you on the show, Katie.
Thank you very much.
We'll see you around soon.
Yeah, thank you.